this one. This one is the box for one set. One set, one box. And then this one can be customized the logo here. Put your your company website and put your company logo. Also on here you can put your contact information like the phone number and so on and other information you want to put. Okay. So now let's open the box to install to the card and it looks how the effect into the cars. The first set comment will be take off easier. Okay, so now let's install the demo comment. One set includes 3 pieces. Yes, 3 pieces. 3 pieces, yeah. 3 pieces for one set. Okay, so move the set. Move the set cover. It can be easier to install. You can see the details and about the comment install. All the clips is the right position. All the data, it is accurate. Because all this data is from the scanning machine, from the car, scanning from the car. Yes, you can move the set. You can move the set chair. Set chair. And the comment, it will be won't move at all because it is the connect and the anti-clips, anti-slip. You can see we're moving the car seat. It will influence the car mats. It won't move at all. Because we get the accurate data and produce it very well. We have a rich experience about it. Okay, let me try it. Okay. This is the driver. Okay. You can see the details of pedal, the pedal. And you can see the clips. Also, when I move the seat cover. You can see here. It is very right position, very correct position. Okay, so let me move the seat chair. And you can see it. The car mat, it won't move at all.
Welcome new friend to our live stream.
Because we have a good production process.
Now we are installing the car mats and to show you the effect and the details.
All the clips in right position. Very well, very good position.
We add these clips to make sure
Let me check,
our car
let me
mats
try.
100% safe.
Okay.
Okay, the Kevin will show you.
You can see it. It is very safety. It is very safety. And the all position is the correct position. Very good. Perfect process. Perfect production process with all rich experience. And because the safety is the first one, the safety is the most important. So we make every piece comment safety. So you can use our comment not at all. You can use our comment not any risk.
Yeah, without any risk.
Without any risk. Okay, let me show you the how to install the rear load, the second load.
That's why we have 10 years history. Welcome new friend to our live stream. Now we are installing the car mats.
Okay. When you install the second load, the rear load, we can move the seat chair. Then it will be installed easier. Easy to install and easy to take off. So just you can see it. The safety is the first one, and the convenience also is important. So install the camera is easy. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute or 2 minutes, it can finish the install. Okay, focus on the details. Wow, we can see the close bridge. It is the very right size, not any other styles. It is the accurate data. Very good position. And look here. Look here. It is the very right position. Also here. Also here. All is the accurate data because we take a scan machine to scan the data from the car. All this. Okay. Move the seat chair to see the effect.
If you like our products, feel free to contact us to get more details and get free sample. Welcome new friend to our live stream.
Okay, you can see it very well. After move the seat chair, the comet it not move at all. It is good connect to car follow. All the clips is the correct position. You can see it here, connect here. It's very correct position. Very well, very well. Look, focus on here. Here have a clips. Yes, so it is connect very well. Also the close, the close, the close bridge is very right position. As accurate data, accurate size. Because all this data it is scanning by our scanning equipment. So all the data will be 100% fit.
Yes. Our data is 100% accurate.
Okay. So we okay. Let me okay. Let me move the self channel and you focus on here. After I move the set channel, the comment it won't at all. So it is very good position. It can be moved. Okay. Yes, very good position.
If you like our car mats, please give us your likes. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so
And if you need any samples and any catalog, and if you interested in our comment, please feel free to contact us. We can send you the free sample and send you the catalog to know more details about our comments.
yes, feel free to contact us to get free sample.